Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of viral short videos, and I'm super excited to share some incredible tools that make the process a breeze. If you missed my last video, I talked about the magic of these short videos and even showcased 2 examples. Today, I'm keeping my promise and showing you exactly how to create them. But before we get started, let me remind you that making these viral short videos is incredibly simple and can be done in no time. You won't believe how easy it is. All you need is Leonardo.ai, an amazing AI-powered platform, and CapCut, a fantastic editing tool. Trust me, anyone can do this. First up, let me introduce you to Leonardo.ai. This platform is a game changer when it comes to creating visually stunning content. Let's jump right in and explore how you can craft eye-catching images effortlessly using Leonardo.ai. I'm now on the Leonardo.ai website, and here's how you can create amazing images. You have 150 tokens every day that you can use to generate images. Write a simple prompt and explain what image you want it to create for you. Next, press the Generate button to create the first image. We use a special trick to create the next images. First, change the country name in the prompt. By clicking on this button, we select the Copy Seed option. From the left column, click the Show Advanced Setting button and right-click in the box below Use Fixed Seed and click Paste. Enable Use Fixed Seed and hit Generate. In the same way, write the names of 30 countries to have 30 different images. It's that simple. Now let's take these images and turn them into a captivating short video using CapCut. Next on our list is CapCut. This user-friendly editing tool is perfect for piecing together your Leonardo creations into a seamless, engaging short video. Let me show you how. I've imported the images we created on Leonardo AI into CapCut. Allow 0.5 seconds for each image. You can select all the images to be timed with everyone equally and quickly. Then apply Mix Transition to all photos. After that, write the name of each country on the corresponding photo. Choose a music according to your taste from YouTube songs. It will be much better if you use trending music. Cut the music to fit the video. And now, our viral short video is ready to go. Before we wrap up, I want to spark some inspiration for your next short video. Here are a few ideas. Pictures of houses in the 1800s, men's hairstyles from 1800 to 2023, the main food of different countries of the world. Feel free to get creative and adapt these ideas to your own style. All right, we've covered everything from Leonardo.ai to CapCut and some awesome video ideas. Now, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends who might be interested in creating viral short videos. Until next time, happy creating!